Scott, good to see you at Advanced Engineering 2019 now. We spoke to you guys at EMO. I understand that VERICUT 9 is, or was going to be launched next year. Are you still on target?
Mid-November this year. Yeah, we're still on target. It's looking good. It's a tremendous release. So yeah, if you're an existing VERICUT customer, you can look forward to some really nice enhancements to the product. If you're an existing customer that is not on maintenance, please get in touch, and we'll gladly come and visit you and show you some of the benefits to VERICUT 9.
Now, a few years ago, you launched Force. Now, I want to know how it's actually working in the UK specifically. How many sort of clients are using it now?
So last time I looked, we've probably sold, I think it's 45 seats, licenses, so that's not necessarily 45 individual customers, but 45 licenses since January 2017. So I think that averages to more than one a month, which is we're tremendously happy with the way it's been received. But yeah, it's doing very well, Mark.
Force has been greatly received, as you say, but is it taking you into other companies that you wouldn't normally speak to in reference to VERICUT, let's say?
Yeah, it is, Mark. And one thing we can offer as a company is if you have, let's say you've had a turnkey solution done for you, so they are repeat parts day in, day out. Something we can potentially do is look at that process and optimize the process as a service. Ideally, we want to sell the customer VERICUT and VERICUT Force, but it is opening doors. But that is something we can offer the customer as well, or the non-VERICUT customer.
And one thing that's very big, and you saw at EMO as well, is that a lot of machine tool builders, the buzzwords automation. How does CGTech, how does VERICUT actually work with the changing environment, with the likes of Industry 4 and automation?
So you want to run lights out, and you want to be confident that that CNC program is good, right first time, every time. So you can be confident if you're running lights out, pallet goes and picks another part up that's unproven, that's exactly what VERICUT offers the customer. It's good code, arrives at the machine tool, collision free, error free, and the part's good to go.
Now, I've known CGTech for many years, but you seem to be at more shows, you seem to have more people, so I presume you're growing, in the UK.
Yeah, last year was a tough year to follow, our best year ever, but yeah, we're still getting there. We've just recruited 2 new sales engineers, one for the Midlands and one for the international sales. That should give our MD a bit more availability and little bit more time, because he was covering some international regions. And also 2 new technical engineers. So as a total company, CGTech UK is now up to about 20, well, it is up to 20 staff, just to support VERICUT products and the VERICUT customer base.
And finally, next year is quite a big year for CGTech, because there's Max 2020. But is there going to be new products that are coming from VERICUT in 2020?
There'll be additional enhancements to the software, Mark. What products are around the corner I'm not that privy to, but we're going to continue to grow the Force customer base and the VERICUT customer base for sure.
Always a pleasure. Thanks, Scott.
Thanks very much, Mark.